Welcome to this video on verifying your NBCC contact information in Microsoft Outlook at the New Brunswick Community College. And so we're going to begin with the Microsoft desktop client for Outlook. And so if you're using the Outlook desktop client, what you're going to do is you're just going to go into the upper right hand corner here, and in the search people box, what you're going to do is you're just going to type in your name. And so once you type in your name, you may get a list of users come up here if there's more people at the college that have your name. So you just want to make sure that you select the right user. So you'll select your name and your role, and hopefully all of that is correct. And you'll get your profile come up here. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select the second tab, which is the contact tab here. And so you just want to verify that all of the information here, your email, if you have a work phone, you want to verify the phone number. You want to verify the office location if you have an NBCC office at one of the campuses, and that your job title is correct. And so if any of the information that you see on the page here is not correct, you can simply contact our help desk at helpdesk.nbcc.ca, and someone would be happy to assist. If you're using the web version of Outlook, so outlook.office.com, what you can do is you can simply just go under your profile here in the upper right hand corner of the screen. So you're just going to select your name, and then you're going to choose the option that says View Account. So once you select View Account, it'll just take a second for your profile to load. And then once your profile loads here, you're just going to verify your position here at the college. So this would be your role. Right below that, if you do have an office number, it will be located here. Email, phone number, and the campus that you're located at. So again, if any of the information is incorrect here, just reach out to our help desk at helpdesk.nbcc.ca, and somebody would be happy to assist you in updating the information. So this concludes the tutorial on verifying your personal contact information in Microsoft Outlook at the New Brunswick Community College.